Hello and welcome to the lecture. So in this lecture we will talk about operators. So there are two kind of operators that we are going to talk about. The one is comparison operators and the others is logical operators. In comparison operators we have this equal to, which checks the equality with this double equal to sign, and then we have the identical, which has three equal to signs. That it will check whether the two things are values are identical or not. I will show you in the text editor later on, but right now just bear with me. And this all are the comparison operators, like the greater than sign, the less than, the greater than equal to, the less than equal to, and this is not equal to, that a value is not equal to. So this is not equal to and this is not identical, and these are the logical operators. This is logical and, this is logical or, and this is logical not. So now I have shown you what are the operators, and now let's use them. So jump into your text editor. I have created a file operators.php, and in this file this is the body section, start of the body tag. So just comment this out because I want to use the top of my page in the browser. So I've commented this out. Okay, it is clear. And now let's put here some PHP. Now let's write a if condition. So I hope you know what is an if condition. If you don't know, then you can check my previous video. It was on if statements in PHP. I will give the link in the description below. So we will write a if condition, and in here we will put the condition 4 is less than 4, and in here we will write the statement I am printed. Okay. Now, so this condition is checking whether 4 is less than 4 or not, and if the condition is met, it will execute this statement, or else it will not. So now let's open the browser and let's see. See, there is nothing. Actually, let me minimize this screen. Okay. I hope you can see this. Okay, so this is one comparison operator, the less than sign. Now if I make this less than equal to and save this, now come here and hit refresh. See, the statement is executed because 4 is less than equal to 4, true, that's why it is executed. Now let's make this equal to, is 4 equal to 4, true, refresh. See, the statement is executed. Now let's use the not equal to. 4 is not equal to 4, true or false? False, correct. So let's see, nothing is there because it's false. So these are the comparison operators. Now we can have the logical operators in here also, like this, or logical or. Okay, now I'm putting a condition 4 is less than 8. Now what do you think? This will execute or not? Let's check. See, this is executed. So what is happening here? First, it is checking the condition in the left side of this logical or. In the left side, the condition is false. We are getting false because 4 not equal to 4 is false. But on the right hand side of this logical or, we have 4 less than 8, which is true. That means in this whole area, one condition is met, true. One condition is true. Therefore, this statement is executed. In the logical, when we use logical or in a condition, then if any one of the condition is true, then the command will execute. Now, if here it was and, logical and, see, nothing is there. Why nothing is there? Because in logical and, both the statement should be true, both the condition should be true. Here at the very first we are getting a false. That's why the execution stops here only. No condition will, this whole statement will return false, because one condition is already false, and for this whole condition to be true we need all the condition to be true. Therefore this command is not executed. So this is how we use the comparison operators and the logical operators in PHP, and this is the if statement. So if you like this lecture, please like the video and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. Show me some love, guys, because that will keep me motivated and I will bring out more good lectures for you. Till then, thank you, have a great day.